Alright guys, here we are with the new AC cover, and there it works like that, just like that. So I built this in Fusion 360 and then I printed it out on the Alfawise u30 and it seems to work pretty well. It's definitely going to be, like lighter than the original, which is maybe a good thing. And maybe it's a bad thing because it may be flimsy and it may break, but this is something that you can do. And maybe next time when I print it, I may create like a fun pattern or something to put on there. But this is pretty good. So yeah, 3D printing can be really useful. Since my old one broke, I can reprint this as many times as I want now, so I can always have a cover. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.